Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to reopen recently closed Safari tabs on iPhone. Alright, let's search for something like Christmas Eve. Search. Right now we are here on Google Christmas Eve, and if I'm clicking here on the Christmas Eve site, let's say this is totally random, but right now we want to close this application or tab. Now let's say we click right in the bottom, click this one away, and right now if you can see the tabs are gone. Now we want to get this tab back, so what we're gonna do now is click right in the bottom again, long hold the plus icon, and right now if you can see we can click here on Christmas Eve and the page is back. Alright, this only works in your normal tab, so you can do this in private browsing, just in your normal tab, so keep this in mind. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.